As a Jamaican, you absolutely have to know how to make fried dumpling from scratch. Someone a fried dumpling can bust people and I'm not ask Christ. So if you don't know how to make it, we're gonna learn today. We're gonna start off by adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour, about 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and about 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we're also gonna be adding in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. The colder the butter, the better. Wait, the colder the butter, the better bars. So we're going to add our butter in, and then we're just going to go in and just press our butter out. I'm just going to be using my hands to just spread that butter out, spread that butter thin until it's like mixed into your flour. Once we have our butter incorporated, we're going to start adding in our water to form our dough. I just like to gradually add my water. I had about a half a cup or a cup of water to the side, and then I just added my water in and continued folding in my flour. Once we fold our flour in and add enough water, we're going to form a dough. Once we have our dough, we're going to start forming our dumpling. I recorded this part so many times because it's really hard to explain how to make dumpling my way. My mom says I look weird making it, but I just use my fingers and just fold the flour inward until it makes a ball. Then I just press the middle down. So all that folded part that comes in the middle, I'm just going to use my palm to press it out, and my dumpling comes out perfect 10 times out of 10. If that's not how you make yours, I completely understand. That's just what works for me. So I fold in the corners and then I just use my palm to press the middle out. Next, we're going to move on to the frying process. You want your oil to be heated, not piping hot, just like our festival video. We're going to do this at a medium heat. We're going to fry until one side is golden brown and it starts to puff up. Then we're going to flip it over and let that fry again until golden brown. This time you want to take your time because you want the inside to be cooked as well. As I said, my recipes, I try to make them really simple and easy to follow along. So follow for more. But I really do hope you enjoyed. Until next time. Bye.